Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a public profile on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and look for the Add to Snap map or Create Public Profile option. Tap on it. You will then be prompted to confirm your age and agree to the terms and conditions. This is a crucial first step to making your profile visible to a wider audience. Now it's time to personalize your public profile. Start by adding a clear profile photo and writing a compelling bio that tells people about you. You can also include your location and a link to your website or other social media. Don't forget to select relevant categories that best describe the type of content you'll be sharing. This helps others discover your profile more easily. With your public profile set up, you can now start sharing content with a broader audience. When you create a snap, you'll have the option to post it directly to your public story. You can also manage your privacy settings to control who sees your content. Additionally, you can review insights to understand how your stories are performing, helping you tailor future content. To truly grow your audience, actively promote your Snapchat public profile across your other social media platforms. Consistent engagement with your viewers is also key. Respond to comments and interact with their content. Remember, a vibrant profile attracts more followers. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals. Keep creating amazing content, and your public profile will thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.